Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question, that is 2134 minimum swaps to group all ones together 2, and a swap list is defined as taking two distinct positions in an array and swapping the values in them, and a circular array is defined as an array where we consider the first element and the last element to be adjacent, and we'll be given a binary circular array nums, and we have to return the minimum number of swaps required to group all ones present in the array together at any location. So as it's circular array, so in the first case it's a lot easy. So we'll just swap this one at this place, and we'll be having on the one all ones together, so our answer is 1. But in the next case we are having triple one, then two zeros, and then in this case also we'll be swapping these two ones at this place, or else what we can do is we can swap one place at this place, one of these two ones at this place at the zeroth index basically, and one of the one at the last place. Okay. So then also our answer will be 2 because it's a circular array, so it will make 1. Yeah, just like something kind of this. Oh, using, yeah, that circular array property. Okay. And in this case it's already it is a circular array, so all the ones are already together. Okay. So first of all we will need to have a circular sliding window for this as well. So firstly let's initially count the number of ones, and once that is initially 0. So for int num in nums, what I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if num is equal to 1, I'll be increasing my ones count. Okay. Now this is like the maximum number of these are exactly the number of ones which I want to be together, and the minimum number of swaps will be when in my current like for example if I'm having 5 ones and I want all 5 of them together, so I'll be checking a window of the 5 settings, and I know that if I'll make these two ones here, I'll be having my answer. So it will be the minimum of the all the sliding windows. For example in this window if I am having, I need to have 5 months. Okay, so this is not a good example. This okay. So let's say if this would have been yeah, okay, I'll just provide you with another example. So for example if the case is 0 1 0 1 0 1. Okay. In this case I know that I need to have 3 ones together, so what I can do is I'll be having this window, and I'll be checking the number of ones present in it. If the number of ones present in this window is maximum, so what I'll do, I'll swap the rest of the ones into this window, and I'll be having my answer. Okay. Then I'll be initializing my answer value as the maximum value, integer dot max underscore value, and also I'll be storing the count of each window. So let's say firstly my count is 0. Okay. Now I'll be having two pointers left and right. Int left that is equal to 0, and right that is also equal to 0. Okay. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be moving my right pointer up to the number of ones, and I'll be having the count for that uh, for my first window. Okay. So while right is less than ones, what I'll be doing is that I'll be checking that if my nums of right is equal to 1, I'll be increasing my count plus plus, and I'll be here doing a right plus plus. Okay, now my answer I'll be updating with the minimum of answer comma num oh sorry number of ones minus the count in that particular window. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be initializing a left pointer, left less than length of the nums. Okay, and in this case I'll be using a modulus on the right pointer to get the index, as it's a circular array, so when it will be at the last out of bound for the last index, it will be pointing towards the first index. Okay, now I'll be checking that if nums of left is equal to 0, sorry, if it's equal to 1, I'll be decreasing the count 1. I'll be doing a count minus minus, and I'll be checking that if nums of right mod nums dot length is equal to 1. In this case I'll be increasing the count, and I'll be also moving my left pointer to the next. Okay, let's first update the answer will be equal to the minimum of my current answer comma ones minus my count, and also I'll be moving my right pointer. Okay, now at the end I'll just return the answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, So this was it for today. Thank you for watching.